니만 자기는 생겨도
소도 건지도 봐요.
여기 많이 된다. 어자 손톱 좀 들어내. 어자 손톱. 어자 많이 좀 잡다. 어자 손톱 좀 들어. 예. 손톱다. 뭐라고 연구해 보자.
여기로 가자.
자. 어자 또 다른 사람 볼래 보자. 가람 어자 많이 좀 들어. 자. 그래. 어자 친구 되나? 어자 손톱 많이 좀 들어.
Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi in Angola, Zimbabwe, Asigi numit asida masi mapung maruina Dalit Sahitya Akademi gi mapung maruina thau bubiriba ojasing amadi ngasi thoram sigi president gi angamagi phambangda leitem biriba mingoina bajarda kai khumna jariba oja khaidem panta mangda leitem biriba egi nusiraba Assam Silchar gi oja sing marumbang sing amadi awardee rena na mapandagi lengbirakwa Kalagani district ki oja sing marumbang sing amadi ngasigi thabak si gi sin nangbiba ID organizer oja sing punamaku ana ham tada Kaya kumaja pula dalam menurut saya. Masih matik cah doa ayah pun. Bhagavan Buddha National Fellowship Award PB duna. Ayah mingse Mia mamangda setakti bagi tema. Dalit Sahitya Akademi gi makomaruana bubiriba wajasing Kesulit apa kesu kangil jawa ayat mingse seleksi kalian kita mak yang agak ceri amasung kurang ceri. Masih ina Bhagavan Buddha ke award se pangji bersida. Ayat thamoi dah kanjai. Ayat fokus ayat na mioi boy na problem bersida nasi bawda. Ayat na tari wa pun mungse. Ayat sama sewa atau jari. Aduga so ay awawa sumtai. Ay na lining jare adu so awawa dumtai. Aduna ay Bhagavan Buddha gi ay di ishwar se ming sonjaraga. Amasang ay di ipana tigi koi Krishna dharma na kanato na labrina Sri Krishna gi ming sonjaraga. Ay gi mathangi mabo lungai jay panda garam nenda ing na signa laibang amna bagi Habuk saya isoi dalam musik panggung pengamen ni ayah bersegi, ayah guna Assam ayah thamjari, rena na ayah sama sewa di thaduk sewa esum lejani, ayah tahu jadi itu tahu sudah tahu ni, aduga ayah na nasi ayah nasi macam macam lain se, ayah se jauh pun nggak mungkin ngamui rena ayah bersegi ayah jam saja cingna je bani, madam dia hau hiba Januari ke tarik se, ikan kamu kana. Ayonda karigumba kanagumba mana ilak padmani ilaga ay se ay rummakta da ay se tubani ay tubas da ay ko jam sadina thina soi nona ko sopani na mitchoi di pabongda option na tawdagi ay mitse haji ko jeti jeta ma mitse ay de masangana I matumale manam sina ay haji ay na mama ay da ay na pa ki lari dia mo wa ingoda ay de karim da ay memory da latre Adu dilarana ayah mobile se numbering na mobile save tu thamani. Adu number doi kau re. Number kau ke na mobile lo kap khai batana. Na ron rasat na software ada kap khai. Kap khai bade mobile lo ai lei de lei de ga so karim ta udre ai report no lo na mang re one thing no ko mang re mobile he chang na so I pha bang aduna ai masi ko na magsigi awa ko na masi ngasi tin mi ba lai guru mayam sigi ma hom dagi ayo ba se pokcher gi ayam nang kirpa to ge mayam no munam da san bi ayo ba se pokcher ge hai ba se sigi ayo hom se ni jaraga ai mayam ni hom dai
Hagachari Ujai Mathang City Rajendra Kumar Singh Miyam Naurem Rajan Hari Kangaba Wathara Assistant Engineer Amadi Sarnai Aiba Wazasina Lai Mamang the Manipuri Wari Bongo Drova Paukongi Paukum Amadi Rembara Sanana Chimba Kumamba Like Iduna Mia, the Kusina Bikre, was asked Dr. Ambedkar National Fellowship Award.
Left side.
আমাদের দিকে একটু তাকায় দুজনেই আমাদের দিকে একটু
হ্যাঁ স্যার ঠিক আছে
Mathang City আমাদের Sampok Chandra Shah, Gharbaram Amarsan Premoi Higher Secondary School Silchar Shikhok उनके भगवान बुद्ध नेशनल फेलोशिप अवार्ड उसी ने मिले
Respect, reverence and salutation to the dignitaries seated on the stage and audience according to their age. It is a profound honor to stand before you today. I accept this recognition not just an individual achievement, but as a testament of a lifelong commitment to the pen and the people of Assam. My journey has always been guided by two pillars, one social responsibility and another is literacy expression. I am extremely proud and eternally grateful to have been nominated for this prestigious national award by the Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi. As a social worker and writer, my pen has always been and will be vocal about the rights and burning issues of the backward people of the country. Your blessings have been with me at every step. I am blessed to be associated with the organization like the Red Cross Society and National Children's Science Congress and dedicate myself to human service. This recognition has increased my responsibility even more. Throughout my career, I have strived to serve our nation with integrity, national recognition. I was deeply humbled when the President of India conferred upon me the Census Silver Medal for my dedicated service during the 2001 census. During the NRC process, I served as a software officer with a clean reputation. I am proud to share that under my leadership, my service center secured the first position in all of Assam for biometric. humanitarian trace, my heart remains with the community, whether as a life member of the Indian Red Cross Society, an active supporter of blood donor organizations, or my work with the National Children's Science Congress, my goal has always been to uplift the marginalized. To me, writing is a tool for change. I have used the columns of our newspaper to highlight burning problems and advocate for justice. Advocacy for educators. In my trilingual book, Assam Pay Commission, How Long to Bear the Bonds of Retribution of State Teacher Public Employees, I sought to give a voice to those who dedicate their lives to the future of our children but often remain unheard. Creative reach beyond social issues, my soul finds expression in countless poems, stories and essays published across various platforms, reflecting the rich cultural and social fabric of our state. While I have received numerous certificates of appreciation throughout my life, being honored by the Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi special. It reinforced my resolve to continue writing for the voiceless and serving the nation until my last breath. Again, lot of thanks for this honor to Haidem Manikant Singha, Haidem Kanta Singha, was the organizing secretary of Assam State Branch, Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi. But till 2 days in this program, as the president, is my very pleasure. And also Rabindranath Das, Lungle lecturer, was my guide, philosopher, and others. Very nice person. I am very happy to see him in this stage. Very happy. And another person, he was the Muiranjam Devasar. I am happy to see you. And thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you. Madam Sidi, Kuri Kunai, Habak Kuranda, Madam Kudin Makatawai Yaujaba, now social activist, L. Kulatandra Singh, Mauko Sinjage, Magi Mapanda, Kusin Nagadori Award, Dr. Ambedkar, National Fellowship Award. की करुणामूर्ति मिश्रा सुनायजी हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल की ओजा होइना ओजा की सिंफमसिदा अचौब थौदांग लौरिबा नहा अमा होइना साहित्य की लमसिदा थौबुरोय अमा होइना कोइचेन चेंदुना यामसु येना खंगबिरिबा इनावनी हारिबा अवार्ड सी सर रविंद्र चंद्र दास के अनुरूप जनासी अवार्ड की अवार्ड की महात्मा ज्योति फुले नेशनल फेलोशिप अवार्ड ने कैसाम दिल कुमार नहा वरिबा अइबनी सेरिंग लाइरिकमा कॉन्क्रीट सेरिंग लाइरिक की ममिंग हारिबाक्ता जाति की फिरा डॉक्टर अंबेडकर नेशनल फेलोशिप अवार्ड
As a human being,
I feel that we should help, we should extend our helping hands to every needy person. That's why I have organized some charity fund for the poor people. Still now, Mr. Chopra Shah and one Marwari person, they are helping me. Last year, I have distributed, we have distributed 30 blankets and in Dupati, 30 saris to the poor people. So my appeal to you, those who are able, you should extend your helping hands to the Dalits and the poor people. That is my appeal to you.
Sumaina sumba ko national level da sotharaba ukang ki oipa dumba somka yengsinba yokatpagi sogotpagi academy ama oina tungan ba harki upam state singda lei to binu singda yokat thaugat po oina suma makalgi award na fellowship yugi tabak ma satri bisi yam na puning to wani ngai ba chok thok chen ngai ko rom mani ai na ai kan khali rasi niko tareta asum ba makagi tungan ba makagi koi gi award ai ga tra fellowship award ai ga ji pi rasi Naga puning to ngai ba adumba pero man khongthang man aduna I chudo pa kachu ajen ngai jete asum ko gi thong si chai ko ding bang thok na la ko si asina di tungan ba feel da suri ba koi mioi sing da masu ko gi we fellowship nutra ga watching si chai gi pi na Lak liba, lak kadul, chatar kadul, betul mama ini na. Yam nama koi gi apa kongtang apa ni? Hai dua apa kunci terjaga hai bayang ini dari sini.
Koi nanti hai ngai leite, ada zaman ngai jaba hai babu. Koi gi Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi National Award Distribution organized by Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi Assam State Dance. Asigi Oda Kanto na karino secretary. Organized secretary. Oda Kanto ko thagachari loina na nasigi oiriba 7 awardees with different categories. Asigi Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Fellowship Award, Bhagavan Buddha National Fellowship Award, Mahatma Jyoti Phule National Fellowship Award. Ahum thona piriba award sigi asigi Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi Assam State Dance ki makada. Library ba ko gi wajat tare u ai ahamada thagat professor Pondokchari Paisati magi harusu yaga ato magi de kai thagat Pondokchari mathanga su award mayama kubira ko oibiu hai basine yang thamderi basi Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ai gi this subject ni the father of the Indian Constitution. He himself belongs to Dalit Parivar. Aduna Dalit ki damakta ma se yamkarna hona jarami Ma Bharat Samvidhan ki panthoni. He is the father of the Indian Constitution. Ma Masama Dalit Parivar oibanina 1991 siga ma Madhya Pradesh ta poi ma na leringin matam dasu apoi ki Dalit haiba support pa yaad se katang ane bajaj se ma na support na for the upliftment of the Dalit society. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar jamsthina tobirami adu ngasi maksu Dr. B.R. Ambedkar na magi Dalit Parivar ki damakta mana tauriba fellowship award pilibasi masi ubada ai yaman shiva nungaiba ma ai pokchei mana caste apoi ki varna system se caste ki manam da mana political justice pangaga yada social justice economic justice pangaga yada social justice se mana yam karna demand tawram Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on social justice very important. Social justice का माने emphasis पीरेगा. Social justice से पंगत तारगा दी मधुदार सोना पन्ना याद है untouchability. Untouchability अकोई यातों में यानी सोना में याद है. महान मानी सेंगी यहाँ पे से माने मुतल लगा. akoina Bharat Samvidhan ki 33 suba article na it was already abolished the untouchability by the Indian Constitution by the Article 17. Aduna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar se ma masamaksu Dalit parivar oibaina Dalit haiba posi chakot nabagi damakta ma jamna kana banagami ek to aage amade Rabindra sir already delivered in this lecture for the help of the needy person for the distribution of the saris and blanket. It is also my request, is there any broad-minded and teachers kindly donate and cooperate to Rabindra sir request. Asi haraga mathang dasu ai sam sang nai ningai lite oja tere pu amadi oja kanto bu oja devo bu oja Rabindra bu thale charaja ai wahai chite.
Pranam, I am very much satisfied to stand here in front of number of genius person, I mean golden person. I am grateful to them to take my feet here. I salute them, especially those who are Dalit person, especially those who are come from the poorest society. There are so many divisions in our society. I am Brahman, I am Banerjee, I am Chatterjee, you are SC, you have come from the lowest family. So why such type of division in our society? Ambedkar is the only one person to take prompt action for actual solution. একজন নিচু কুলের মানুষের মধ্যেও নলেজ থাকতে পারে, একজন চ্যাটার্জি ব্যানার্জি মস্তিষ্কেও সেই ব্রেইন নাও থাকতে পারে। So it should be calculated, it should be measured by his quality, by his merit, is not it, sir? So division, discrimination should be abolished from the society. He is the only person, here, Ambedkar. At the very beginning, at the first part of our independence, when at that time our India is not independent, it was dependent. So at that time, he boldly fight against such type of division in the society. So I am very much satisfied. Here we have Shraddha Rabindra sir, he told that the poorest person, they should be encouraged. একটা গরিব পরিবারের বাচ্চার ব্রেইন থাকতে পারে, তাকে পড়াশোনায় এগিয়ে দাও, তাকে এনকারেজ করো, he should be encouraged. So such type of reward, such type of award, such type of prizes, I mean, should be given to them. So helping hand must be extended for those type of students who have come from poorest family. So I am only one in the mind of Dr. Rabindra sir. So many thanks. I am grateful for everybody, and I also pray to God for long live such type of society. Many thanks. Thank you, sir.
যদি আমিও এনে ধরনের কাম করি বলে নিশ্চয় আমাদের ব্যক্তি হ'ব পাৰিব। চিন্তাধাৰা ৰাখিলে তেতিয়াহ'লে সমাজখন এজন ব্যক্তিয়ে আপোনাৰ ডিছক্ৰিমিনেশ্যন বা আইচলেশ্যন এইবোৰ কেতিয়াও নহয়। গতিকে মই সন্ধিয়া সময়ৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকৰ মাজত উপস্থিত থাকিম, যিখিনি মই কৰিছোঁ তাৰ বাবে ইয়াতে সমস্যা
such type of award personalities, I think seven awardees is here. I salute to all of them because they have done something. Because of that, they are getting this award. Likewise, please, I pray to God to go ahead in the coming times also. In future, I request the organizer to mobilize in big ways, not in a small hall, in big halls, gathering hundreds and thousands of people, and also try to acknowledge all other, so many dignitaries are also there. Actually, we don't know them right now. In future, I just wanted to give a suggestion that some criteria should be given to general public so that they can apply. In fact,
we also don't know. We don't have this how to say, how to get this award and all. We don't have enough idea. So again, I request our organizer to expand their views and exchange to common people and general people, so that in future, in next time, we should gather with along with more people and award more people also. Likewise, so this first I want to say, and by saying these few words, then I request, I express my thanks to the organizer, and thus I conclude my speech here. Thank you so much.
Ambedkar Fellowship Haidi Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Akademi Buhodok Bilamba Dr. Ambedkar Cinema ki Kunchida Themerakiba Hudong Tiba Bondobet Ta Atwan Babarna na Bharata Lay Bawarakba Matang Sida Mahagna Hindu Sini Matakta Yam the Sour about the Bornabet Oyamba Lady Monu Sumita Bumaytadana on Protibatoki Amasum Mahak Haudiki Hindu Dharma Asitadokana Buddha Dharma our name later about the Dharma Lakshmina Bharat ki miyam da aikoi se awan nimna jaba amatta oiba asigi oxel asi ratna bagikan hona jaba Bharat Samvidhan ki aikoi ki mapa oiba se atwan misage ki tamak kaya jam khanjaram gaya nasi bhavada aikoi da Atwan Magi Har Sarukam Pamjali Base Masimaki Obadan may have say I could come to Masida I could give Marakasu Awam Nemgi Walama Maroon Libasi Gana Bunahana Kanna Hodamba Adugumba Mayamasiku Asiki Adugi Pandana Bogaba Sagaya Wamba Sagaya Nubati Maki Maminga Ambedkar Fellowship Alba as it's a year guided Queen I have a loaded was 2000 then the channel was a message interpreted. Madame Gadi, I am one as a kicker high to do. What did the gate is say? Had you tell this contact with trade over? I don't know why. Objective I think you could Java, I see Assam branch. Ozana, Rainbow say, Hoiki, Mayam Siki Pachaso, Ayam Hingramo, Dilijam Chapaka, Pachasu, the Sacramento, Aduki Pachasu, Linia, Ozana, I said, Tolando, the night. Mana say, Hoiki, Silchar, Mamma say, he's letting him come, Akotola, the city, Kuinana, the city, me. Asuana. Apun ba thawram mama ase pangthol koi ta pangthol ki bagida ma uja kan to ke thawram se tu hamna thagachari ngasi da mana phambiki ba ichini na mayam su aina makoi ki thawdam ki mapum phaba koi ki bagida ma mana se phambani haiba thagachab ga na Hilal was asking me to take the